Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will see the interview question where we will have to use an inbuilt array method to sort a particular array. So let's get started with it. Let's create a new class. I will name it as array built-in method. Okay, so let's create an array. Let it be 10, 30, 50, 40 and 100. Okay, so clearly this is not in a sorted order, so let's first print this array before sorting. Arrays dot so arrays dot toString. So what this will do is it will convert this entire array into string, and it can be used to print it in a line. So this is the method we use, and using the same arrays class we will sort the array as well. Okay, so now the array is sorted. Using built-in method. Now let's print the sorted array. After sorting, let's check if the code is working as expected. So here we have the results. Before sorting, it's the same array, and after sorting you can see the arrays are in the sorted order as of now. So yes, so this is one of the built-in methods which is used to sort array. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.